Hello, MSMEs and startups. The world has suddenly landed into a different era, and businesses are no exception. Most businesses across the world have been hit and hit very, very badly, hit under the belt, as they say. The revenues have dried up, fixed expenses are mounting, your business models have gone haywire. You do not know how to handle your debtors, you do not know how to handle your creditors, you do not know which fixed expenses to weed out, you don't know which of your team members should remain, you don't know which team members should be laid off, you don't know which team members to be furloughed, you don't know if your business model is feasible anymore. You also don't know whether your business model will continue under the same technology you were going on. Well, the answers lie somewhere out there with the experts. Well, if you go without experts and launch yourself or restart your business, and you want to try it out, you will find that you will land yourself nowhere. Do not reach a point where you have to think of shutting down the business, wrapping up the business. I don't think, as a swave and as an expert and passionate businessman, you should be doing that. Better to leave it to experts. Desperate times call for desperate measures. Difficult times call for difficult measures. You need experts to guide you through. You need some hand holding, no matter how much is your experience, no matter how long have you been doing business, no matter how you were guided in starting your or launching your startup. You need an expert now. You need a mentor now. You need that crisis management expert now. Just like the country has disaster management experts, your business needs crisis management experts. Through MentorCart, we are there to help you. You can connect with me, ask your questions, ask your problems about data, creditors, HR, automation, sales, marketing strategies, change of business model. Just about anything related to your business can be discussed, and a solution would be provided to you on this platform. It's a new world. A new world requires new ways and means of dealing with the problem. And here is MentorCart providing you that new methods, new means. We will go into each business to help you find a solution. We will go deep into your problem to go and dig out a solution for you. I am having 30 years of experience myself of handling thousands and thousands of businesses in India and abroad. And we have a lot of other consultants, super experts on MentorCart who are going to guide you. Subscribe to this platform, MentorCart. Catch me live, connect with me live, ask your questions live, and I can assure you, we will sail you out of this crisis. Let the crisis not engulf you. Let the crisis not lead to a shutdown. Let the crisis not lead you to losses. Let MentorCart lead you to profits. Our strategy is survive, revive, and thrive. That is the philosophy we believe in. So, ladies and gentlemen, MSME, startups, whosoever is into the world of business, do not hesitate to connect. Do not delay, because your delay may prove to be costly for the business. Remember, the time is running out. The costs are counting on you. Connect with me on MentorCart. Subscribe to this program and look how the magic works to drive you out through this crisis. Thank you. See you soon.